Hello,
Oh
good
yeah,
morning.
hi, yes, Sandeep, Shivanshu.
Yeah, hi sir.
Uh, let's start. Um, Okay, how many of you have seen my yesterday's post on LinkedIn related to palindromes? Anyone?
Yeah, I have seen. Yeah, I have seen that palindrome.
Okay, so you got it. You understood the concept.
Yeah. Suppose if it is a six-digit number,
Yeah,
we will
that
write
is.
substring of -3.
Yeah. So
Okay,
you
okay.
have to. That is what I thought of discussing. Okay, so just 1 minute I will discuss that because I have got the same response from some of the like my connections. They were asking. Okay, so first of all, that's the limit of SQL. That's
Okay,
what I
okay.
wanted to highlight. If you have something like looping, if you want to loop, the looping cannot be done. Okay, in SQL, there are some limitations in the looping. That's why we go for PL SQL language. Okay, that's the problem. You are correct that okay, Tanvir, if I
Okay.
have 10-digit number, how you will check? Your code will fail. That is correct. Okay, that's the limitation of SQL, and that's why we go for PL SQL. But the intention of that was that sometime in the interviews they will give you this data. Okay, and they will tell you that okay, for this data only find a palindrome. Okay, so you should know the main logic how you are going to derive that. Okay, that's what I
Yeah.
wanted to highlight there. But yeah, if you want to check that in any other language, maybe Python, Unix, Java, you can do that because you have that control statement there. You can use for loop, while loop, or whatever you have. From that, you can do that. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah. Yes.
I think
Can you
in
share the LinkedIn post link?
sorry, Shivanshu, yeah, saying something.
Can you share the link post for the LinkedIn?
Sure. I will share my details. Okay, you can go through that. Okay. Uh, Fine. I think there was palindrome I have not mentioned in the Python code. Okay, it's not there. Okay, Shivanshu, I will share with you. Okay, you can go through that. So, guys, that's what I have highlighted earlier as well. So, I used to post some of the course related to SQL or any other language. Okay, and those might be helpful to you. So, if you get a chance, go through that. Okay, and if you have any questions, any confusion, please connect with me. Fine. Sandeep, Vedyanathan, Shivanshu, Imran, Akshay, everyone is there. Perfect. Okay. We all are on time today. Perfect. Fine. So let's start. Before proceeding with that, with assignments or the MCQ questions, what I have given yesterday. So let's complete the assignment which I have given last week. Okay. Hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we have discussed till here. Okay, and before proceeding with the question number 8, so guys, if you have any question, please tell me. Any confusion on the topics what we have discussed yesterday, anything in general? No. Okay, fine. So if anything comes to your mind, please keep on asking. Okay. So the next question is write a SQL query to fetch the student name who has appeared in only one subject. Very, very good question. And a simple question as well. Okay. So what I want from this, who will explain this?
We has appeared in only in one sub student. I take
Hmm.
query to fetch the
Okay.
student name.
So from this data, what do you think? Which one should be the output?
Yeah. The,
Only
C will be the output.
C. Only
C
C.
should be the output because C is the one
yeah.
who has appeared only in physics. That is only one subject. Apart from C, if you check D, D has appeared in two subjects. But I don't want this. I want the one who has appeared in only one subject. Okay. What about A?
No.
It is appeared in both subjects, physics and
A has
chemistry.
appeared in more than one subject. So I don't want that. I want the student who has appeared in only one subject. Okay. The
Yeah.
question is clear. So before writing a query or any programming language, any problem statement, first of all, you should be very much clear with the problem statement. Okay. And that's what,
Yeah.
like nowadays, nowadays what means starting from the beginning, in the IT industry, if you want to work, so they will check your communication skills. So this is the reason that you should understand the requirement correctly. Okay, fine. So I've inserted this data. Okay, and I will show you that. data as well. Select a star from the student. Let me show you the data. So guys, this is the data. Okay, and as per the data, we observe that C is the correct output. If you're writing a query, we should get this as the result. Correct, no? This is our expected output. Okay, expected output. Now, tell me, what should be the query for this?
We will write a group by student name and count of subject. That's having in
Name, count of subject. Okay.
select subject, select student name, count of subject from table name. After that, having count of the subject equal to 1, group by student name.
Okay. Vedyanathan, right?
No, it's me, Sandeep.
Oh, Sandeep. Oh, sorry, I am always getting confused between Sandeep and Vedyanathan. Both voice seems to be. I'm getting confused. Not sure for this. I'm very sorry, Sandeep and Vedyanathan both. I'm getting confused there. I'm very sorry. Okay, so Sandeep, the query what you have told, it is correct. Okay, but in one scenario that will fail. I will tell you the scenario in which that will fail. Okay, so I think this is the query you have told. Select this. Select name.
Yeah,
From
name.
student.
No, count subject. Select name, comma subject.
Name, comma subject.
Name, comma count of subject. Count of subject.
Count of subject.
Yeah.
Count of subject
from table
from
name.
a student.
Group by student. Group by student name.
Group by name.
Having count of subject equal to 1.
Having count of
Subject equal to 1.
Subject equal to 1. Okay. This
Yeah.
is the query. Okay. This question is for Shivanshu. Shivanshu, why I am using having here?
We have used count because we have used count.
Correct. Because we have used count here. So always whenever you're using count as a filter condition, see, we are applying filter count. I want 1,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Don't bother that this is subject or this is a star or whatever it is. Just okay, count is there. I have to use having. The story finish. No further discussion. No confusion, right? So whenever in filter condition you're using count, blindly use having. Okay.
Having. Okay.
That's why we are using having here. And so in this case, Sandeep, this query will fail in a particular case. I will tell you. Okay, but let me run this one.
Yeah.
No, but okay, fine. Let me run this. You got the correct output. C is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, I will show you in one scenario. This will fail. Okay. I'm not discussing this query as of now, guys. I'm not, just to make understand, Sandeep, that in which case this will fail. That's what I'm doing something. Okay, but I will explain you guys as well. So what I've done, I've inserted a duplicate record here. You can see now we have 3C Sandeep, 3C physics 90, 3C physics 90. Duplicate record is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now if I'm executing this query, no data found, correct? Although you can tell that okay, Tanveer, C has appeared only in one subject, physics. So maybe by mistake the data is duplicate, but C has appeared only in one subject, correct? No. Suppose if I will ask you that okay, manually check and tell me who has appeared in only one subject. So still you will tell me that Tanveer, C has appeared in only one subject, physics. That doesn't matter. The two records are there or 3 records are there, whatever it may be. Maybe next time he has written compartmental exam. Okay, he has failed the first time and he has scored some other marks. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, understanding.
So this query will fail in that particular scenario. Now the question is, so what should be the ideal what should be the correct query? Okay, now let's see. Always whenever writing any query, first of all write the flow chart. Okay, so what you want the student name first of all. Okay, so write select what you want the student name, right name. That's all. The story finish. Okay, Then from which table you want this?
Student table.
From a student. And make a habit to write query like this. All the select clause should be in one line. Then from a statement should be in another line. I'm not telling that this is a rule or you will get error message, but this is considered as a best practice, because once you will start working in a live project and you have like 20, 30, 100, 200 lines of codes, so that will become very easy for you to debug. Okay, that's what I'm telling. This is a best practice. But if you are comfortable that no, Tanvir, I want to write in one line only, I'm comfortable in this, your wish, no problem. Okay, but this is the way you should like in this way. Okay, so even you will see, I think Sandeepa Vaidyanathan also has seen that my post in that LinkedIn. I will show you that. So here you can see, where is that here? Just a minute. Okay, see how I have written this. Select in one line, then case another line, when one condition one line, second condition that is in one line, end another line, from another line. Okay, so now it will be easy for me to debug. That's a make a habit of writing like this. Okay, so you want name from a student, so this is over. Okay, now what is the condition? What is the filter condition? See, any SQL query, the flow chart will be like this. First of all, search what you want in select. Okay, search what all columns you want. Clear? Next is from which table, from which table you want data. So as of now, you are seeing that you have only one table, but in real life project, you will see that you have 10, 20, 100 tables. So you have to find from which table you want, right? And the next is the filter condition. You can use where or having as per the keyword what you are using. So most of the SQL queries format is like this only. This is the base format. Okay, so select name from a student. Okay, now what is the condition? Who has appeared in only one subject? Appeared in only one subject. Then do one thing before, now forget the question. Okay, I'm writing a query. Just try to concentrate what this query is doing, and then we will come back again. Question, group by name. I'm writing this piece of code. Okay, now tell me, if I will execute this, what will be the output?
Yeah,
Subject.
for each student, how many subjects are there? For A2, B2, B1, D2.
Each student, in how many subjects they have appeared, you should get this information. I am running this.
Yeah.
See, okay, and I want to sort this. What I have to do?
Filter, order by.
Where,
Order
after
by
group
name.
by or before group by?
After group by.
Order by subject.
Name. Subject, yeah.
Okay. Order by name. Let me execute this now. Now A has appeared in two subjects. Check it. Is it correct? A has appeared in physics and chemistry. Correct. B has appeared in two subjects. Tell me, is it correct or not?
Yeah.
B has appeared in physics and chemistry, two subjects. C has appeared in two subjects. Is it correct?
Yes.
No, yeah. How is it correct?
One. Because
only
you are
two
uploading
times.
duplicate. You are inserting one more record after.
No. Wait. 1 minute. This is from a student where ID is equal to 3. Just a minute, guys. Hold on. Okay, I want to tweak the data. Invalid identifier. Student ID I use. Okay. Student ID equal to 3. Ticket was generated 93. He has scored 30 marks. He has failed. One will inserted. Then next time he has scored. Now is it correct? You got it?
Yeah.
What I'm trying to highlight? So C has appeared in one subject only, but for the first time when he has appeared in physics, he has scored 30 marks. He was failed. Then next time he has appeared and he has scored 90 marks. But tell me, in how many subjects C has appeared?
Only one subject.
Only in one subject, right? So if I will execute this, see, if I'm executing, this is showing me that C has appeared in two subjects. Now tell me, is it correct information or wrong information?
Wrong information.
Wrong information. So this is the mistake in my query, or this is the mistake with SQL engine?
Yeah.
Where the mistake is?
Mm.
With the
In
query.
my query.
In query. See, where is the mistake? I will tell you. SQL has not done any mistake. What we have done, we have asked SQL, everyone, Imran, Akshay, Shivanshu, Sandeep, Vednathan, please listen to this concept very carefully. Very, very important concept I'm going to tell. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, before telling that concept, I have to tell you one more concept. Have I taught you about distinct? No.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I have taught you distinct.
Yes.
Means yeah.
Okay, if I will write
only
distinct
unique
ID,
values.
distinct student ID from a student, what should be the output?
1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3,
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Distinct name.
A, B, C, D.
Okay.
ABCD.
I think we have discussed the last time. I have told you combination as well, right? So distinct is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So now you
Yes.
see here in this query, I have to mention that I want the distinct subjects, right? I have
Okay.
just told count of subjects. So SQL has counted the subject. It has taken physics as subject. Again, if it is physics is coming, it has considered the subject. Okay. But I have to mention that no, count distinct subject. Okay. Select name, count distinct subject. So what SQL is doing, if you have not written distinct, so even the same subject, if it is coming n number of times, it will count it, it will add it. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to write distinct subject. Okay, now if you see, if I will run this query, see A2, B2, C1 is coming, no?
Yeah, yeah, understand.
Correct. And if
Yeah.
I will mention count of subject only, let me run this. See, C, here it is 2. It is telling that C has appeared in 2 subjects. Why? Because it is just adding all the subjects. Physics is 1. Again, this physics is taking as 2. But here I mentioned no, count the distinct. So distinct means, so here physics and physics, they both are same. Is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
Question.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Yeah, Shivanshu.
Here you have written distinct subject,
Uh-huh.
but why it is not showing for chemistry also? Because in the subject we are having 3 chemistry subject.
3 chemistry subject. No, I am asking here student wise. Okay, I am asking here a student name, a student wise. A has appeared in how many subjects? Physics and chemistry. So A has appeared in 2 subjects. That is why it is telling you 2, right?
It
B
will
has
make the
appeared.
combination.
It will take the combination. B has appeared in physics. B has appeared in chemistry. So total, B has appeared in 2 subjects. Are you getting?
Got it.
C has appeared in physics, C has appeared in physics. So if you will count subject, it will give you 2. But if you will tell distinct subject, it will give you 1, because distinct subject is only 1, physics. Similarly, D, physics, chemistry, 2 is there. Okay, is it clear?
But
Hmm.
but if we will just write select distinct subject from student, then it will show chemistry and physics.
Very good, very good, very good. If I will write distinct subject, see, I am writing here, Shivanshu. Select distinct subject from a student. So if I will execute this, what should be the output, guys?
Physics and chemistry.
Physics and chemistry, that's all.
Okay, I got
Physics
you.
and chemistry, it is coming. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, Akshay, is this clear?
Yes,
Concept
sir.
of, okay. Now coming back to our original question, that who has appeared in only one subject? You want
Subject.
only one subject.
One subject.
So the condition here should be count of distinct subject equal to 1.
1.
Okay.
1.
So I will write where count of. Am I committing any mistake?
Yeah, come, yeah. Where should,
What is the mistake?
where? We have to write having.
Oh, we have to write having. Okay. Having count of distinct subject equal to 1.
1.
Guys, again I'm repeating, if you want to use count after group by, not an issue, you can use that. Okay. Now tell me, did you got the correct output? C is the one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Actually, for this eighth question, I have tried like many hours. I was doing this question, but I was unable to do this question.
Oh,
Can we
okay.
do without grouping having? Can we do?
You can do without grouping and having as well. You have a concept of rank, dense rank, row number. Okay, through that you can
No, no,
do this.
no.
Hmm.
Actually, what I thought that
हाँ,
इसके पहले आपने मेरे को
हाँ,
वो करवाया था, काउंट करवाया था और वो करवाया
हाँ,
था
हाँ,
अपर लोअर, तो मेरे को लगा कि
हाँ,
ये
हाँ.
उसी के बेस पे सॉल्व होगा ये, तो उसके बेस पे
No,
सॉल्व
no,
नहीं हो
no,
सकता ना ये?
no. You cannot solve that based on that concept. Okay,
हाँ,
but that's good, Shivanshu. You're applying your brain that in what all ways we can solve. That's
हाँ,
very good.
वही 3 घंटे
हाँ.
लग गए, सॉल्व नहीं हुआ,
Oh, okay. You have spent 3 hours, but that's good. That's
क्योंकि
good. Very good.
क्योंकि
Very good.
हमने ग्रुप को हैविंग किया ही नहीं था तब हमने किया ही नहीं था हैविंग
Correct.
एंड ग्रुप
My bad.
तब.
Yeah, I have not taught you this concepts at that moment, but that's good.
Yes.
Very good. You are trying. So now is this clear
Okay.
or not?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone. Imran, this is clear.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the concept. Now, after this, yeah. Now I have shown you that. So count of subject is not required, right? You understood the difference between count of subject and count of distinct subject, everyone, right? So I'm removing this count of subject from here. This is not needed.
Okay.
Now the question is, someone will ask me that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have shown me that this C has scored, C has appeared in only one subject. But show me ID as well. Show me ID as well. What happened? What is the ID of C? What happened?
Select student ID, comma name.
Student ID, comma, name.
Yeah.
That's all. Shall I run this?
No, group by, after group by also.
Yes.
Oh,
after
okay.
group by, we can do it.
After group by student ID. Like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
At the
Okay.
first,
Yeah, someone was telling something.
no, sir. Correct.
Okay. But here student ID I have written it's on first place and then name I have written, but here I have changed the order. I will not get any error message.
No, because there's no syntax issue.
Okay, so order doesn't matter. The only condition is what all columns you have used in select clause that must be present in group by. Okay. But in order by I have used only name. I should use the student ID as well, right?
No, sir.
No. That is our issue.
Okay, that's not mandatory. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me run this. Okay, is this fine? The student
Yeah.
ID 3, name is C, only distinct subject is 1. Okay, I think this is clear. And this is very important concept. Okay. In the same question, if I will tell you, okay, no, before that, is it clear or not? I'm repeating because I think this is
Yes.
a tough one. So you have not taken much time and you all have understood very easily. So in the same question, if I will tell you that tell me the student name who has appeared in more than one subject, who has appeared in more than one subject. So what you will do in this query?
Yeah, having greater than one. That's it.
You will use where clause.
No. Having only equal to 1, we have to greater than equal to 1. Yeah, more than 1.
Greater than equal to 1. Okay, in the same query you will use greater than equal to 1. Okay,
No,
first of all,
only greater than one.
Only
We want more than one subject, so greater than
Yeah,
one.
Only
if you want more than 1, only greater than.
correct. So you have to be very much cautious. You have to take which operator you have to use, greater than or greater than equal to. My question was, I want the name of the student who has appeared in more than one subject. What I told, more than one subject. So you have to use greater than one. Correct?
Yeah.
So how many of them has appeared in more than one subject? See,
Three.
A has appeared, B has
B.
appeared, D has appeared. Right? No?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. If it is clear, I am modifying the query a little bit. 5 E. I'm doing something. Okay. Don't get afraid what Tanvir is doing. Okay. See, what I'm trying to do is, we have a student with a student ID 5 and his name is E. Okay. But if you see, no, just a minute. Orders by student ID. Okay. Let me run this now. Fine. So if I'm executing, so I have sorted this order by ID. Okay. Now you will see that for student ID 5 whose name is E, subject is null. Why I have kept null here? Because maybe I am not sure, okay, that in which subject he has scored 90 marks. But I have this information that he has scored 90, but I'm not sure about the subject. So that's why I kept this as a null. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now if I will tell you that, okay, tell me that the student name who has whose subject is null. Tell me the student name whose subject is null. So what should be the query for that? So
Select
select
student
name
name from
from a student
where subject equal to null.
where subject
Equal
is
to
null.
null.
No,
Yeah.
you don't have to use equals.
Yes, is null.
Is null. So guys, whenever there is a null record in any column, and if you have to search, so you have to write subject is null. Remember this syntax. Okay. The students, what mistake they will do? They will write subject equal null. So you should not use this. Okay. You should use this one. Subject is null.
Is.
This is the keyword. So now if I will execute this, what should be the output?
E.
E, for E, you know, subject is null. So you understood the concept of is null?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am preparing one more data for this one only. In maths, he has scored null. Okay, I've kept this null because I'm not sure how much marks he has scored. So I've kept null. So now my question is, tell me the student not properly indented. Okay, very good. Why this error message is coming? Who will tell?
Because you have inserted data in without single quotation in both the
I have written
Data type.
I have written maths here, but I have kept only in one quotes. I have not used double quote. I have used double quote here. Okay, very good. One row inserted. Okay, so now you can see that there is a student whose marks is not clear. I have marked it as a null. So my question is, tell me the student name whose marks is null. So what should be the query for that?
Tell me the student name where marks is null. Select the name from student where marks is null.
Name from a student
where marks is null.
Marks is
null.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now the question is, here I have used is null in uppercase, but here I have written this is in lowercase. So this will not give me an error message. What do you think?
No. It will return record because it is a not user defined. That is the keyword. SQL
That is a reserved keyword of SQL,
keyword,
and we have discussed in the first or second class that reserved keyword or user defined keywords are not case sensitive. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can use is null. So E. Now you got the concept of is null, guys. Everyone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Understood.
Understood. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, here suppose in this case, if you I want only one student who appeared in only subject. In this case, 5 null. If you return count of distinct subject, null will not count now.
Oh, very good question. Select distinct subject from a student. This is your question, right? That if I will execute this query, what should be the output?
No, count of distinct subject.
So count of distinct. I will come to that as well. Okay, but let's discuss about this. Then I will come to count as well. Okay. So guys, what do you think if I will write select distinct subject from a student, if I will execute this query? So now the question is whether it will consider null or it will not consider null. What do you think?
No, it will only show in count.
One thing is sure that physics, chemistry, and maths will come. We are sure about this. Okay, but we are confused that this null will come or not. We are confused about this, right? Shivanshu, I'm not using count. I'm just using distinct subject. Okay, I'm not using count here. So I'm just asking if I will use distinct subject. So what do you think? Null will come or not if I will execute this? Physics, chemistry, maths will come. We are sure. But what about null? How many of you think that null will appear if I will execute this?
I think null will not appear.
Null will not appear. Okay. Anyone else?
Null will not appear, sir.
Null will appear. Okay.
Not appear.
Not appear. Anyone else? Guys, come on, try. This is not a tough question I'm telling you. Tell me yes or no. That okay, null will come. Null will not come. Anything? Vaidyanathan, what do you think? Your voice is not audible properly. Okay, no problem. I'm executing this, but if I'm telling you the concept, whenever you have null, okay, in any column, I have taken here in subject, right, even in marks, and if you're using distinct, so null will be considered, null will come into picture. Okay, I'm running this. Physics, chemistry, maths, and this last null is also coming. See, SQL will get confused with the nulls only when he has to do some calculations. Please make a note of this point. Whenever it is doing some calculation, no, count or something like that, aggregate functions, so it will get confused at those moments. Okay, in this simple select, distinct, and all those things, it will not get confused with the null. It will give you that value. Is this clear?
Yes.
To avoid
Okay.
this, what we have to do?
To avoid what?
Null values.
Oh, very good, very good. So the question is that Tanvir, I don't want this null value. I just want a distinct subject, physics, chemistry, and maths. I don't want null here. Remove this. So what I have to do? Tell me. Where
Subject equal to not null.
subject is not null. See, SQL is very simple. If you want null, write is null. If you don't want the null records, write is not null. You don't want the subject to be null. So subject is not null. So now if I will execute this, what should be the output?
Chemistry, physics, math.
Physics, chemistry, and maths.
Maths.
See, physics, chemistry, and maths is coming here. I think you guys are not didn't understood this concept. Null is null, is not null.
Got it.
Understood.
Got it.
Yeah, clear.
Clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If it is clear, then I'm writing a query, and you guys have to think and tell me what should be the output of that query. Ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Subject is not null. 1 minute. 6 F null. This is history Marcian's code. I'm just preparing one more data. Okay. Now data is inserted. Okay. Now I'm writing a query. Think carefully and then tell me that. Don't be in a hurry. Okay.
You okay?
Marks is null. Yeah, this is the query. Now if I will execute this, what should be the output? Please tell me.
Where subject is
What?
null or marks is null.
Subject is null or marks is null. Yeah, we will get 3 records.
We'll get 3 records. What all records will get?
Yeah, 5E, 5E null, 5E max null, 6F null.
No,
6,
no,
yeah.
no. Look into the query very carefully. Everything. I want the correct output. This is the query. Tell me what should be the output. Everyone, try and tell me.
So we
Don't
will get
bother.
two records. One is
Hmm.
E and another one is F.
E
Because
and F.
we have written distinct actually.
Okay. Perfect. That's the correct answer.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
let's. Okay, fine. So let's analyze this. So here I am telling subject is null. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of this one, this condition. What's the meaning of this? Leave all those things. Tell me what I want from here.
Yeah, subject is null or marks is null or both.
Ah, very good. So
Yeah.
here where you can see, first of all, come to this. Subject is null. Where you can find subject as a null?
Yeah, 5. 5E null,
5.
90. Yeah.
Subject is null, right? This is correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Anywhere else where you can find subject as null?
Mm,
Yeah, 6F.
Oh, okay.
6.
This is also correct. Subject is null.
Null.
Okay. Over. Now coming to this one, marks is null. Where you can see marks
Yeah.
is null?
Yeah, above 6F. 5E. 5E
Okay.
max null.
Marks is
Null.
null.
Yeah.
Correct. So it means as per the condition, we have these 3 records, which is matching the
Yeah.
condition. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I want from this, I want only
Distinct.
name
Distinct.
and the
Okay, okay.
distinct name. Please make a note. I want distinct name.
Yeah.
So here, how
Okay.
many names are there? E, E, F. How
Yeah.
many names are there? E,
E.
E, F. But I want distinct. So if I want distinct, so output will be E and F only. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
E and F output is there? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Okay. If I will write this, select name from the student, what should be the output?
3 records we will get.
Huh?
3.
3 records.
3 records. E, F.
E.
Okay. Akshay, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, perfect. Guys, please, if you're not getting no, please tell me that. Tell me, please repeat this. Okay, don't just assume or feel shy. I'm telling this to everyone. Okay, everyone. You have all the freedom, ask question, and any questions, whatever comes to your mind. Don't think that, oh, this is silly question, I will not ask. What are this will? No, what all questions is coming to your mind, just keep on asking.
Sir,
Okay.
I have doubt for yesterday. Yesterday question.
Tell me.
So it was an employee table, and the query, you can just write down the query, sir. It's
Employee
select salary.
table.
Employee table.
Okay. Employee table. Okay. Tell me.
So
Select.
I just want, yeah. So select count star
Count of a star. Okay.
from employee.
From employee. Okay.
Group by salary.
By salary. Okay.
Till this point, I am getting the result. But suppose I want salary in a descending order, then where should I?
Order by salary. Descending. Like this you're telling.
No. So I just want that till the time of group by salary, I'm getting the result.
Okay.
But now I want to grouping the salary in a descending manner. Then what should I do?
Group the salary in descending manner. Okay. Before this, 1 minute. Let me take this employee. Shall I take this table, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Employed.
I'm taking this table. Let me execute this one.
So what I thought actually is I can just simply put the desk after salary, group by salary descending, but I was not getting the outputs.
Now see, ascending, descending, you should not use in group by. That is the rule. Okay, they should not use there.
Order by salary.
Always, whenever you want to sort something, no. See, first of all, I'm executing the query what you have told, Akshay. Okay, this is the one.
Yes.
This is the one you have told. Okay, group by salary. See here, salary is not coming here, right? Just 111 is coming. So you have to write salary as well here. Then you can
Yes,
understand
yes.
for
Yeah.
which salary it is 1 or 2. Okay, let me execute this query. Now, the output is for 400, 200, this is coming. Now you are telling that, Tanvir, I want this to be in descending
100
order.
on the top side.
Ah.
Yes.
So whenever you want to sort anything in ascending or descending, you should not play that card in group by. Okay, for that you have to use order by. Okay, whenever you want to sort, you have to use order by, and this must be written at the very last. Okay, then you have to write order by salary descending. Okay, so if you are trying that, no, Tanvir, I want to write after group by only. I don't want this. I don't want to write this. Just I want to write this. So this is actually a violation of group by syntax. Okay, and if you run this, no, this will throw an error message. Let me show you this. SQL command not properly indent. Why? Because you have violated the syntax of SQL. So descending, ascending must be used only with order by, because order by has got this right to sort the output. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Now if you will execute this now, you will get the expected result, what you're expecting. Is it fine? 400, 300, 200, 100 sorted, no? Correct, Akshay, got it? Hello, is my voice audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, hope this is clear to Akshay. Fine. So coming back to our question, so is this clear, guys? This concept is clear?
Yes.
Yeah, Tanvir, I have one question.
Okay, tell me.
Tanvir, I mean, ये distinct use करे थे ना आप subject में, ये दोनों कौन सा लिया था ये मेरे को, I mean, पूरा details चाहिए. ये null है ना marks का, I mean, subject का दो null है ना, वो दो null में, I mean, 6 ये है ना, या 5E 5E.
5E 5E. Okay, 1 minute, Imran. You are talking about this question only, right?
Yes.
Or you are framing a new question? First of all, tell me.
I mean, यहाँ पे select distinct name ये करे थे ना यार.
हाँ, अभी मैं select distinct name किया था यहाँ पर, correct, yeah.
वो execute करे तो EF आया था ना.
Correct, okay, yeah. Let me show
E
this.
and F आया था ना.
E and F आया था, correct. Just a minute. E and F आया था, correct, yeah.
E and हाँ, इसमें मेरे को पूरा चाहिए. I mean to say A5E.
You want the full details? Okay, very
column.
good. पूरा information चाहिए. Okay. So Imran has suggested a new requirement. That's very good. He is telling that, Tanvir, in this query, when you are running this, you are just showing the name, but show me the entire details. I want the student ID, the subject name and marks, everything I want. Okay. So what I have to do? Okay. So suggest me, guys, what should I do here? Shall I write the
Select
star?
student name,
In select
name
class,
student
yeah.
ID. Acha, star.
Just write a star, story finish. Okay.
Then we will get 3 records, right?
You get 3 records now.
Yeah.
So Imran, आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो. You can write just a star. You will get all the details. Imran, is this clear?
In this question.
यहाँ पे दो बार subject null के बोल.
क्या कह रहे हो इमरान? एक बार रिपीट करना. Repeat once. हेलो. हाँ इमरान, क्या कह रहे हो आप?
ये क्लियर है. सार रख के तो पूरा तो बोल के क्लियर है. मैं
क्लियर हो गया आपको?
ये सब्जेक्ट क्लियर हुआ था.
Okay, ठीक है, perfect. Shivanshu, you were telling something.
Yeah, in this question, if we will write subject not equal to null or marks not equal to null.
Oh, okay. Fine.
So,
ठीक है. Coming to that.
कल वाले question हो जाएगा ये.
Shivanshu is telling one more scenario. Let me write it here. Okay. Shivanshu is telling that, Tanvir, I want subject is not null or marks is not null. This is what you are telling, Shivanshu?
Yes.
Okay.
जैसे कल किया था आपने क्वेश्चन.
हाँ जैसे कल किया था. Okay, fine, very good. Okay, so Shivanshu is telling that Tanvir, if I will execute this, what will happen, right? Okay, now the question is clear to everyone, no? Okay, so now let me execute this. First of all, subject is not null. Tell me, in this entire data, where do you think subject is not null? First of all, tell me. Here subject is not null.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Here subject is not
Yeah.
null.
Yes.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Where I've written here. Why it is not getting copy pasted? Sorry. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. It's not getting pasted. Control C. Okay. Here.
Not done.
Not
Yes.
null.
Subject is not null.
Here.
Subject is not null.
Here.
Subject is not null.
Okay. Here.
Subject is not null.
Here.
Subject is not null.
Here.
Yeah. Subject is null.
Subject is null. So this will not fit in this subject is not null. What about this record?
Subject is not null.
Subject is not null. What about this one?
Yeah. Subject is null. Yeah.
So I should not write here. Okay. So
Yeah.
if I will consider this first condition, subject is not null, I am getting all these records. This where I have mentioned. So this in all these records you can see subject is not null,
Not
right?
null.
And
Not
this one
null.
as well,
Okay.
subject
Okay.
is not null. Now next condition,
Okay.
marks is not null. Okay.
Yeah. First
See,
one.
whenever you are checking with or no, when the first condition you have checked and it is there, so no need to again check the second condition for those records because already these are selected.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
These all are selected. So no need to check this marks is not null in this condition. Now, the records which are not selected, check. Marks is not null. Here marks is not null.
Yeah. Yes. Marks is not null.
Marks is not null. Okay. Marks is not null. Here marks is not null.
Yeah. Marks is not null.
Marks is not null. Okay. So if I will execute this, what should be the output?
Yeah. We will get all the records.
You should get all the
All the
records.
record.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
executing this. Fine.
Yes.
You got all the records?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. So why I'm telling you in this manner, so whenever you have any query, so analyze like this. You should know the way how you have to analyze. See how I'm analyzing. First of all, I have picked this condition, right? Then I checked, okay, what all conditions meet this condition criteria. Then second, I've taken this condition. What all records meet this condition, and then I've taken the total records. Okay, clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm giving you one more question. Subject is not null. Yeah.
E and F will not show.
That's what I asked.
Oh, this is what you're asking. Okay. The subject is not null and marks is not null. Okay, which condition meets both the which record meets both the condition? I want subject is not null and marks is not null. Where?
E and F will not show.
E and F will not show. Okay, why? Because in these three records, you can see both the condition is not satisfied. Here, subject is null. Okay, but I want the records where both must not be null. So if you see in this records, so both the conditions are satisfying because see in this records, subject is not null and marks is also not null, right?
Null.
But if you see this record here, I agree that marks is not null, but subject is null. Correct now?
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. So if I will execute this, what should be the output?
Yeah. First six. One, two,
Except
three.
E and F, you should
Yeah,
get all the
we'll get all
records.
the records,
Okay, see E and F is there. It is not there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Any other question on this? No question. So we have discussed the concept of is null and is not null as well, right?
Yes.
I have some question.
Tell me. Is null.
The question you have given for the palindrome. When can we try? and what topics will be covered?
That will take time. That will take time. When I will come to that
Okay, okay,
substring, no, rank, dense rank, then I will teach you that. If I will
okay,
start teaching it now, from the next week you will not come for the class.
okay,
You will
okay.
tell that this is very complicated concept. Okay, that's why I have to take very cautious. I have to go in very means slow pace. But that's good, Shivanshu. Maybe next class onwards, so you can start working on those concepts. Okay. Fine, perfect, guys.
Question.
You all are showing good level of interest. That's very good. Coming to the
Tanvi, I
next.
have one more question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Can you just tell the website for the like पढ़ने के लिए कि हाँ मेरे को theoretical भी
Yeah,
समझ आ जाए SQL.
for if you want to study the website, I will tell you
नहीं
go
नहीं
through
मतलब
my.
theory भी होती है ना कभी कभी.
For theory, no. Okay, so if you want to practice, no, you have LEET, LEET, and Hackers Rank. They are very famous, and I think they are good. Okay, but I will suggest that once you have wait for 1 week at least. Okay, then go there. Okay, because still you are working on basics. But theoretically, if you want, then I think you have tutorials point, W3 schools. Okay, these are some of the sites. They will provide some basic information, definition, and all those things. You can go through that, because in my earlier days when I used to learn this SQL, no, I used to refer these only. Okay, now if you want that, Tanvir, please share some documents if you have. For sure, I will share few of the documents, and they are very helpful.
एक्चुअली मैंने आपसे ये इसलिए पूछा क्योंकि जब मैंने कल ये ब्राउज किया था ना ये वाला सब्जेक्ट जो आपने आज के ये इज नॉट नल इज नॉट, तो इसमें वेबसाइट में कई जगह ने इन्होंने यूज किया हुआ था कि अगर सब्जेक्ट नॉट इक्वल टू और नॉट इक्वल टू दैट हो तो उसमें ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स, तो ऐसे वो बताए थे थ्योरी में.
Okay,
तो
okay,
वो
okay.
समझ नहीं आया ट्रू फॉल्स क्या था वो, ट्रू ट्रू
True,
फॉल्स
false, I will
फॉल्स.
come to that. When I will teach you that case statement, no, and booleans, then I will come to that part. That is,
ओके ओके
and that will
थैंक
take
यू.
some time. Okay, I
ठीक
think
है
case will come. Where is the case? I see. When this case will come, case statement, then I will teach you those parts. Okay,
ठीक है थैंक ओके.
okay. But very good. You guys are showing good level of interest. Perfect. Okay. Now, next question. Shall I proceed, guys? If is all these things are
यस
clear? Now,
यस
see,
यस.
there are many questions. Okay, I cannot show you all the questions, so I'm just trying to show you the flavors which is coming to my mind. But you guys have to frame some questions on your own as well. Okay, frame some questions. I will show you. Like, you see, I have this SQL assignment full. Okay, so you can see many questions are present here. And believe me, these all questions I have framed as per my understanding and from the common scenarios. Okay, similarly, you can frame multiple questions from your own scenario, think something, okay, and from your surroundings, and make some questions like that. Okay, so that will be more useful. Okay, perfect. Now, next question. Shall I proceed?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, the next question is, so suppose this is the database, student database. Okay, we have created and we have shown this to our principal. Okay, principal has given this task that okay, create a student database and keep all these informations. Then the student has observed that the subject is coming as null. Okay, then he has told that whenever subject is null, please mark it as a NA. NA means not applicable, or mark it as absent. You got my question? Principal is telling that Tanvir, wherever subject is coming as null, please mark it as absent. I don't want to see this null here, because he is not a technical guy. Okay, he don't know what is this null. Okay, he is telling that Tanvir, wherever it is null, mark it as absent. I will show you how he want. He is telling that it should be like this, absent. Is it clear? You want to see like this. Okay, wherever subject is null, you want to see it as an absent. Now, for that, what you can do is, I will show you that. Question is clear to everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so select a star from restaurant. Now, principal wants all the details. So select. So you have to use star. I will tell you that when you don't have to use a star. So don't bother about all those things now. So as of now, we are using a star. Select a star from a student. No. Sorry, my bad. I have done a mistake here. Name. Oh, sorry, ID. No, this is ID. Student ID, comma, name, comma, subject, comma, marks from the student, right?
Yeah.
So if I will execute this, you will get all the details. 1 minute, yeah, you can get all the details. But here subject for 5 is coming as null, and for 6 subject is null. So principal is confused that why you have not added this information. So maybe I told that he was absent. Then he will tell that, okay, please mention that it is absent. Don't keep it as a blank or null. You got the question, guys?
Yeah, understand.
Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, you have a keyword NVL. What is the keyword?
NVL.
NVL. Okay. So what you have to do, NVL, the subject name, and within quotes write absent. I will teach you that what is the purpose of this. This is the command I have used. Okay. So what this will do, NVL, okay, this will do a magic. What magic it will do? So in subject, where it will find that null is there, so it will replace that with
Absent. Absent.
absent.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that is the purpose of this NVL command. Let me run and show you this. Now see, 5e absent. He is absent in subject physics. 6f is absent in subject.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Not clear. Not clear.
Clear.
Anyone who wants me to repeat this? I'm repeating.
Yes.
NVL function
See.
replaces the null values with user defined ones. User defined ones.
If I've written NVL subject comma absent, so wherever in subject you have null, wherever you have null, that will be replaced by this absent.
Yeah,
Absent.
So you see 5e, he was absent, no? So it is replaced by, sorry, he was absent, so a null record was there, so now it is showing absent, right? Similarly here it is 6f, now it is showing absent. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
If it is clear,
Okay.
then tell me. I have used NVL here as well in the name column, right?
Yeah.
NVL name comma absent. Now I'm executing this.
Yeah. Yeah. In name column there is no null records.
Why absent is not coming in this name?
In name column there is no null.
Okay. So what?
So that's why if it is null only, then only it will replace the null value with absent. Otherwise, it will not.
Okay. So you are telling if null is there, then only that will be replaced with absent. So in name column, we don't have null records, correct?
Yeah.
Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now next question is, you have to tell me. I will not tell you, you have to tell me. Here marks is null, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now principal is telling that wherever marks is null, replace that with 0. Principal is telling wherever marks is null, replace that with 0. What I have to do?
Yeah. NVL of marks comma 0.
NVL of marks
comma
0.
Yeah.
Okay, so what will happen if I will execute?
Yeah. In fifth record we will get 0. Null. 5e
So wherever
max
marks is null, you will get it as a 0, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, why it is 0 here?
Because here null value, we are replacing null
Was
value
there,
with
so we are replacing this with 0. Is it clear to everyone, guys?
Yes.
NVL?
Yes.
Only Shivanshu has understood and Sandeep has.
Is there any full form for NVL? Full form?
NVL, sorry, I don't know, but it's a good question. You guys also try to search in Google. I will also try to search. Very good question, Shivanshu. Even I have never thought of this. That's good. So this is a task to
इंटरव्यू में
Shivanshu.
अगर सपोज कि मैं सपोज किसी ने मुझसे पूछा इंटरव्यू में, ठीक है, मैंने उनको लॉजिक बताऊंगा एनवीएल, तो सपोज वो मुझसे पूछते कि बताओ फुल फॉर्म क्या है, तो तब
That's good. And you know, sometimes I'm afraid that when the session will become very interactive, no, sometimes that's I'm afraid because I have experienced that my audience, my students, they will ask very typical kind of questions with challenging questions as well. So I get afraid sometimes in a very interactive session, but that's very good, Shivanshu. This question is coming to your mind. Keep on asking, yeah, because that will help me as well. I never thought, believe me, I never thought what is the full form of NVL. Okay. So Shivanshu and everyone, try to search in Google if you get some value. I think there must be something or not. I'm not sure. Null value logic. Okay, Imran has mentioned null value logic. Perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. Null value logic. Okay, सही है, perfect, very good. So you guys have helped me to learn a new concept today. Perfect. So everyone, and the NVL is clear.
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Clear to everyone. Okay. Now next question is, I have executed this and I have taken this result and I have shown to my principal that okay, this is the output. He was verifying and he told that okay, absent is coming here, absent is coming here, and it is showing 0. So he was happy that okay, fine, you have done the correct job. Data is coming correctly. But when he was looking at this column, then he got confused that what you have written here, NVL, name, absent. I don't want all these things. Something you have written, replace it. Just write name here. I don't want all this information. Are you getting my point? I've written all this, no? So he is not a technical guy. So he's telling, remove this here. I'm getting confused. Just write name here. Okay. Not tell me what should I do.
Alias.
Yes.
So we have to use alias. Okay. So you see, I have used all this, no? So this entire is coming here. You can see this entire is coming here, no? The principal is getting confused. He's not a technical guy. So what you can do after this, just write name. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if I will execute this, so this will be replaced and you will get name. Now see, name is coming, no?
Yeah.
So this is known as alias. Now in many homes you will see that if a particular person name is suppose Manoj, okay, but in home their mother, father, their close relatives will keep some other name, right? Chotu, Motu, something like that they will ask, right? So similarly it is like suppose the same name. Okay, we are giving a small name. We have affection for this column. So out of affection we are given this name and name. Okay. Similarly, tell me this, we don't want this full name. Principal is getting confused. He is telling that please replace this with subject. What should I do?
Yeah, after the subject we have it, right?
After this, okay, just
Subject.
write subject. That's all. No confusion. Very simple. Okay, just write subject. Okay, replace.
Instead,
Yeah.
hello. When we are using alias, when we are using alias, can we use any name?
Your
Suppose
wish, your
आपने
wish.
यहाँ पे लिखा है subject.
You can use any
यहाँ पे
name.
अगर मैं
No, not an issue.
okay.
You can use any name. And sometimes you will see people will write like this as. Okay, they will write as. So that is again same. Okay, your wish. You want to write as, you can write as. Or if you don't want to write as, just keep that name. See, same thing is coming now. So if you want to write as, you can write as. If you don't want that, no, I don't have time. I will write like this only. So you can write like that as well.
I mean,
your wish.
I mean to ask कि alias में वही name use करेंगे जो हमने table create करने में use किया था.
No. See, I am writing your name,
ठीक है.
Shivanshu.
Okay.
Okay. See, it will take that name.
अच्छा. अब यहाँ पे नाम आएगा.
Shivanshu is coming here.
समझ आ गया. ठीक है.
Your wish. You have all the freedom. Whatever you want, you can write here.
ठीक है.
Okay, guys. So any further question on this?
No.
No questions. Okay. So we have covered this as well. Now coming to our question, back to our question. Now let me update the agenda. This is very important. Once I missed a particular topic, okay, and one of my student, he was very angry. Then we have missed it. That's why I keep a track of the topics what I'm covering. But that's good. That's good. You should keep a track and you should tell me if I'm missing something. And that's why after that incident, I am maintaining this, what all topics I'm covering. Okay, perfect. So now coming back to this question. Perfect. This was the question. So till where we have completed?
8 and 9.
8. Okay, we have done 8 as well. So 9, write a SQL query to fetch the student name has appeared in more than one subject.
ये भी हो गया.
ये भी हो गया. Sorry, this is also done.
ये भी हो गया.
This is also done.
Yeah.
Okay.
8 and 9.
Okay. Write a SQL query to find the topper in each subject. This is a very important question. Okay. So just give me 1 minute, guys.
Okay.
I'm feeling very thirsty. I will take some water and I will come back in 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm back. Actually, I'm playing badminton these days in the early morning. So that's why, you know, so sometime. Fine. Fine. So next question is write a SQL query to find topper in each subject. So first of all, is this question clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Okay,
Yes.
clear. So just first of all, analyze this manually. If you're analyzing it manually, tell me what should be the output. Topper in each
Yeah.
subject. First of all, who
Yeah,
is the topper in physics?
physics 90. A and C.
Physics. Oh,
A and C.
what is removing it? Physics. Who is the topper? 90,
A and C.
90, 90. A and C. Okay.
Yeah.
A is the topper in physics.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you have
Chemistry,
C. And then
Yeah.
in
मैंने
chemistry,
ऐसे किया है.
someone has replied, Shivanshu has written this.
So
Okay,
मैंने
Shivanshu,
ऐसे
I will
किया
come
था.
to. Yeah, Shivanshu. I will come to that, Shivanshu. I will come to that.
Okay.
Okay, I will come to that. Chemistry, who is the topper in chemistry? 95 is the highest marks in
A.
chemistry, I think, right? So A is the topper, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
So we are expecting this output, that in physics A and C they're the topper, and chemistry A is the topper, right? So this is the question. Now let me execute this and let's see the output, what we're getting out of this. This is again, I think, a student table, no? The student table. So I need to.
Student only. Yes.
Okay, now. No, 1 minute. I'm doing something. Table student, because we have modified the data at that moment, no? So let's create the table again. Drop table student drop, and then creating create table student, table created, setting this data. Okay, data inserted, fine. Now coming to the question and the solution, and we have this as the expected output. Okay, we want a topper in each subject. Okay,
Yeah.
so what we have to do now, let's try to understand the concept. First of all, before that, and again, there are multiple ways, believe me, there are many ways to write query for this particular scenario. Okay, but before that, I have to tell you one concept. There is a concept of sum. Okay, and the sum is exactly same what you are thinking or what you know. It will add all the marks. So if I write sum of marks from a student. Now tell me what this will do.
Yeah, it will enter counter 90, 95. Like that.
It will
90
add
plus
all
95.
these marks, 90 plus 95 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 25 plus 90. So this is the function of sum keyword. It will sum all the marks in. Let me show you this. See, 605 is the total marks. Okay. Similarly, if you want to just add this student ID, okay, just write sum of student ID. How much it is? 17. 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 4, 4 2 6, 6 3 9, 9 4 13, 13 plus 4 17. Okay, you understood the function of this sum, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me, if I will run this one, what should be the output?
Sum of distinct student ID.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 10.
10.
10 or-
Anyone
yeah.
else? What should be the output of this if I will execute this?
Right, 10.
10.
First of all, see, this is very simple here. I have told distinct student ID. So how many distinct student IDs are there? First of all, tell me this.
4. 4. 1, 2,
One,
3, 4.
2,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4. Now, what is the addition of this? 1
Yeah,
plus 2,
10.
3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So
Yeah.
now, see. Let me run this. 10 is the output.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Now, coming back to our main question. Hope you all have understood the function of this sum, what this is going to do for you. And then I have used this thing just to give you a flavor that if you're using this together, what will happen. Okay. Now, coming to our question. Now, what I want is, I want to see that each student, how much marks they have scored overall. Each student, how much marks they have scored overall. Like you can see, A has scored 90 in physics. A has scored 95 in chemistry. Then if I will ask you that, okay, tell me overall how much marks A has scored, what you will tell? What should be the output?
195.
195.
185.
185, correct. Similarly, if
Yeah.
I will tell you that how much total marks is scored by B, so how much he has scored?
165.
165. You are adding this,
Yeah.
similar,
65.
right?
Yeah.
So I want that output. So what I have written, I want name and sum of marks. I want
Yeah.
sum of marks.
Marks.
Okay, from a student. Okay, so what I want, some
Group by
background
name.
noise is coming. Those who are not speaking, guys, please go on mute. Okay, so I want sum of marks for of each student name. Okay, so I'm executing this.
No. Group by name. It will throw an error.
I will come. So this is giving an error message, not a single group function. Why this is coming? Because I have to use here group by.
Group by.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now we have a new concept here. Earlier, when I have told you guys to use group by, tell me the rule. Count. And whenever you are using count, and if you have any column name, you have to write that column name in group by. Now, second rule, whenever you are using sum, and if you have any column, use that column in group by.
Group by.
Okay. So whenever you're using sum or count, or if you have any column, you have to use the same column in group by. If you're not using, that will give an error message. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Shivanshu, is this clear?
Yes, I have one question.
Tell me.
अब जैसे कि suppose before solution we make the output. Okay, now on this question first you have make the output and then you have written the code. Suppose we are having the 1000 of the record. Then how we will make the output first?
Correct. You are correct that here you have very few records, and then Tanvir, you have shown me that this is the output.
Yes.
But just to make you understand, I'm showing you this is the output. But actually, you should not do this. Okay, just to convince you that okay, that what the output you are getting from here manually and what we will run from the query, they both are correct. Just to convince you guys, because you are in learning phase, no? That's why I'm doing this. But you are correct, when you start working in live project, there are millions of records. You cannot do this. You are correct. That you cannot do.
Yes. Okay.
You cannot do that.
Okay.
But just to prove
got it.
LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, right? We used to do, no? So that, so that's what, just because of that purpose I'm showing you this one.
Okay, got your question.
So now, okay, so is this concept clear? Whenever you're using sum and if you have any column, you have to use same column in group by. Guys, these rules, please keep these rules in mind. Okay, whenever you have a count and if you're using any column, you have to use that column in group by. Otherwise, that will throw an error message. Okay, fine. Now see the output. First of all, tell me, are you convinced with this output or not? B total marks is 165. Please check. B has scored 80 and then 85 in chemistry. 80 plus 85, 165. Why C is showing only 90?
Only one record, only physics.
Oh, okay, only in 90 has a score. Okay, clear? You understood the concept of sum?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
In case I will write group by name comma sum, so it will make one new column na sum.
Okay, group by name, comma, sum. Like this you are telling?
Some. No, not some. Marks.
Sum
Yes.
of marks. Okay. Sum
No,
of marks. Like this?
no. Group by name, comma marks.
Group by name, comma,
Okay.
marks. Okay. Like this you are telling?
Marks तो column बन.
Huh?
But नहीं possible नहीं है. ठीक है.
Okay. I will show you this. What will happen? What has happened here? Who will tell me?
इसमें
It is
Okay,
grouping
It's
name
grouping
and marks.
as well.
Right. It is grouping
It
name
is
and
grouping
marks.
name and marks, and that's why it
Yeah.
is not
Okay.
summing it up. That
Yeah,
doesn't make
yes.
any sense.
ठीक
Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay.
ठीक है ना? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So far is this clear or not? First of all, tell me this.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Name and marks I have shown you, and this was the output.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am modifying this question. I am writing subject here.
Yes.
If I will run this, what will happen?
Select subject, sum of marks, group by subject, not name.
Group by subject. Correct.
Yeah.
If you have used subject here, you must use this subject here.
Subject.
Okay. Now is the syntax correct?
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Let me run this.
Only 2 records. Yeah.
In chemistry, 270, and in physics, total is 335. So in chemistry, if you will see, total marks is 95 plus 85 plus this 90. Total is 270. And physics it is 90, physics it is 80, physics it is 90, and physics 75. If you add all those things, we come to 335. You understood the concept of sum and all those things, no?
Yes.
So this is the
Yes,
function. Functionality is different, but syntax wise, it is very similar to which one? Count. Syntax wise, it is similar to count, but functionality is different. It will add the marks. Okay, hope this is clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to our question. Okay, that who is the topper in each subject? In each subject, who is the topper? So what you can do here? Topper in each subject.
Yeah, name. Select subject, subject. Who has the topper in each subject? The topper. In physics, who was the topper? In chemistry, who was the topper? That was the question, right?
Who is the topper in physics and who is the topper in chemistry? That's what we have analyzed here, no? In physics, A and C is the topper, and in chemistry, A is the topper.
Marks.
Okay. Was the topper means maximum of marks.
Sandeep knows all these things. That's why you are telling maximum. But Sandeep, we have freshers as well.
Yes.
Okay. I'm coming to that. Okay, so sum is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to max. Now you have a max command. I will not teach you this. You guys apply your common sense and tell me what this can do for you. Just think and tell.
Yeah.
Don't think correct or incorrect. Sandeep, you will not tell. Okay, others will tell what this can do. Max.
Select subject.
Max. Just think and tell me what max can do. Akshay,
Okay,
tell me what max can do.
So it give the maximum marks.
Perfect. Very good. Max means maximum. This will give you the maximum marks. Okay. Maximum marks from a student. See, this is very simple. Yeah, SQL is very simple.
Okay.
Just you have to practice it.
Okay.
Now see the output. Maximum marks it is showing 95. Why it is showing 95?
Because maximum marks is 95.
Because if you see here, maximum marks is 95. It is clear?
Yes.
Come on, guys. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Clear. Okay. If I will write name, comma maximum marks. So what I want from this? That tell me maximum marks per student name. Okay. I'm executing this query. See, there is some error message and Sandeep will not tell me why this is coming. Anyone else will tell why this is
maximum
coming.
use किया है. Count की तरह है max भी.
You have used max here. So again, you have to use group by. Okay. So these functions are known as aggregate functions. Sum, max, and then minimum will come when average will come. So whenever you are using
Okay.
this, no, these functions, please use group by. That's all. Very simple.
Group by.
Now
Okay.
if I will run this,
Okay.
you will get the output. You will not get error message. So okay, let me sort this. Now I think order by is clear. Order by
Yes, order by ascending order.
name. Just write name. It will take by default ascending order. You
Yeah,
all know
okay,
this.
yes.
Okay, this is the output. Now tell me what this is. What is the meaning of this? Imran will tell. Imran, why A95 is coming? Hello, Imran. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
Imran.
Hello.
हाँ Imran, can you hear us?
Mute में है.
हाँ Imran, you are on mute.
हाँ हाँ
Imran,
सुनो.
Imran, your voice
Hello.
is not coming. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah Imran.
Hello.
हाँ Imran. So my question is why 95 is coming here in front of A?
So he's coming back, I think. He just
He's
exit.
joining back.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. I think he's joining back. Fine. So who will tell? Akshay will tell. Akshay, why 95 is coming in front of A?
So we put the order by command here. So
Order by command. Then why this
Oh.
only A we have 90 as well, but why 95 only is coming with A?
as max marks.
So the maximum marks is scored by A is 95. Okay, that's why 95 is coming with A. And for B only 85 is coming, but for B we have 80 as well. Why this B 80 is not coming here in output?
Because we again the max marks.
Again, because we have mentioned that we want maximum marks. That's why for each student, what is the maximum marks they have scored? That is what it is showing here. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if I will write here subject. Oh, subject I have told you, no? Subject I have told you.
Yeah,
Subject I have told you here.
Sir, अगर B के भी 95 है तो
B के भी 95 है. Which scenario it is? शिवांशु एक मिनट बस रुक जाओ. ठीक है, बस एक मिनट. मैं ये कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ, फिर आपके क्वेश्चन पे आऊंगा. I will come back to your question. Okay, just 1 minute. Hold on. Okay, sum of marks. हाँ ठीक है. Sorry, I have told you this one. Now, after this, what if I will execute this command? Tell me. Subject.
Name, subject, maximum.
Group by subject, right? Right. Subject. Now, if I'm executing this query, what should be the output? Tell me. Or tell me the logic. What I'm trying to find here.
Subject और उनके maximum number.
Subject wise maximum marks. So what should be the output? Tell me.
Chemistry 95. Physics
Chemistry,
90.
95. Physics
90.
90. Okay, so the maximum marks in chemistry subject is 95 and maximum marks in physics subject is 90. This should be the output, right? Okay, yes. Let me execute this. Okay, is this correct output?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. Okay,
Yeah,
so you understood the concept of maximum, sum, and when you have to use group by, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Okay,
मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ. But I am also thinking कि physics 90 है तो chemistry पे 90 क्यों नहीं आया?
Chemistry 90 क्यों नहीं आया? Because यार chemistry में ना you are searching for the maximum. In chemistry 95 is maximum. 90 is not maximum, right?
नहीं जैसे chemistry में 90 आ गया, physics में 90 आ गया, फिर जो बंदा कि D बंदे का नाम chemistry में 90 है, तो वो बंदा 90 क्यों नहीं है?
No, शिवांशु यहाँ पर बंदे के बारे में हम नहीं सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? हम सब्जेक्ट के बारे में गौर कर रहे हैं. Okay. Sandeep and Vaidyanathan, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm just speaking in Hindi. हाँ, तो शिवांशु हम यहाँ पर ना सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, हम बंदे के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे. आप बंदे के बारे में भूल जाओ, आप सब्जेक्ट का देखो. फिजिक्स में यहाँ पर इसने 90 स्कोर किया, फिजिक्स में यहाँ पे 80 है, फिजिक्स में ये 90 है. अब बताओ 90, 80, 90 में बड़ा कौन है? 90 बड़ा है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पर 90 आया है ना. केमिस्ट्री में अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पर 95 है, यहाँ पर 85 है, और यहाँ पर 90 है। 90, 85 और 90 में बड़ा कौन है? 95 है. That's what is coming. Okay.
Okay, so I got confused. Okay, so will we see according to subject only?
If I mention here subject, you have to see as per the subject only. Okay.
Okay, got
I
it.
mentioned your name, so I have to see in terms of name only. Okay.
Got it.
Now coming back to our question. Okay, we'll come back to the question. Write a SQL query, find the
Yes.
topper in each subject. Okay.
Subject.
So now we have to find topper in each subject. So in chemistry, 95 is the highest marks. Now we have to search
Yes.
who has scored this marks in chemistry, 95. Now tell me who has scored 95 in chemistry. A
has scored.
Correct. A has scored. Now who has scored 90 in physics? 90 in physics, C has scored, and A has scored. Okay. So first of all, we have got that, okay, this is the maximum marks scored, right? And then we have to search for the particular student who has scored this marks. Correct? No?
Yes.
Okay. I'm proceeding with the solution now. I have to use joins here, but I'm afraid to use join right now. This is not the correct time to use joins. So I'm thinking that I should do this by some other way. But again, I'm thinking that you should not be. Okay, then guys, do one thing, okay? Do one thing. Leave this as of now, this question, because this question needs some concept of joins or rank, dense rank. So remind me, then I will come back to the question again.
There is one top command as well, right?
Top as well you can use. So that's why I'm thinking, because if I will use joins now, so that will take time as well, and you guys will get confused. Rank, dense rank, many other are there, so I don't want to use all these things. Okay, so leave that as of now. So you understood the concept of max, sum, count, and all those things?
Yes.
Clear to everyone, no?
Yeah.
Okay, but remind me, I will come to this again. Okay, I will come to this
So
again.
when I was solving now, I was thinking the same way, but I cannot able to use join that time because you haven't explained me and you asked. So I was trying with your method only, whatever you told, and I was not able to get the answer.
Okay. So that's what I'm thinking. And now you have one subquery method as well, but still I want to take some time. Then only I will introduce you those concepts. Okay. I don't want to take any risk now. Okay, fine. The topper in each subject, I will maybe in the next class we will solve this question. Write a SQL query to find the overall topper. Now this is simple. You guys should tell me now. Who is the overall topper? How you will find? Who is the overall topper?
First of all,
yeah, tell me.
First of all, we will use order by marks in descending order. Then we will get the highest marks, 95.
No.
And
See,
then we can
okay.
make filter.
Shivan should think like that. Okay, forget about SQL query. Just think manually. If I will ask you that, okay, tell me who is the overall topper. So what you will do manually? First of all, you will take, okay, A. He has scored 90, right? And then A has scored plus 95. Correct? You will do like this, no?
Yeah, like
Yes.
Okay, then you will take, okay, B. How much he has scored? 80. Okay, and then plus 85. Just think manually. Forget about that SQL.
Yeah.
C, he has scored only 90. Okay, coming to D, he has scored 75 plus 90. So what you are doing here? You are calculating sum based on the student name. Correct, no? So after this, here the result will be 185. And here the result will be 165. And here it will be 90.
Yes.
And then here it will be how much? 165. Okay, then after this you will find that who is the maximum, who has scored maximum. 185 is the maximum, right? Out of 185, 165, 90, 165, which is the maximum? So 185 is the maximum. So you will tell that he is the topper. So manually you will go like this only, right? So that's why first of all calculate the sum of marks, okay, based on the student from the student. Group by name.
name.
Group by name. Now see, if I will execute this, order by, write order by as well.
Order by name. Or
Order by name. Is it clear? A has
Yes.
got total 185, correct. B has
Yes.
scored 165, C has scored 90, D has scored 165. This is correct. Now,
Yes.
out of this, we have to find who has scored maximum. Who has
Yes.
scored maximum out of this.
Maximum.
Then what you will do?
Yeah.
Having condition.
Huh?
Having.
Having, okay. What you will write in having? Tell me. Having.
No, in this case we have to write having. Suppose, yeah, having sum of marks equal to 1.
No, having max
One
marks.
is-
Having max marks.
Sum of marks is equal to
No.
what you will write?
No. Having
Yeah,
max marks actually.
Having max marks, okay. Having max marks. Okay.
We have to store this now.
What you will do? You cannot write having max of marks because you don't know which one is the maximum. Here we have done manually, so we can see. Again, if you have
Yes.
millions of records, you cannot see, right?
Yeah,
So you cannot
yeah.
judge from there.
Yes.
So what you can do
Yes.
from here is, I will tell you, there are many ways again. So just right now, let me tell you one method. Okay. Try to understand this. I'm trying to tell you. I'm taking means it's at my own risk. Okay, and just try to understand. Very important and interesting concept. Okay. So first of all, is this clear or not?
Yeah,
First
clear.
of all, then I will proceed.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Everyone, okay. Now
Yes.
after this, I am doing something. Okay, don't get afraid. Select. Okay, no. Before this. Again, principal is telling that why you are showing this sum of marks. Keep it as a
Yes.
total marks. What I have to do?
Yeah, alias.
Just silently write here total marks.
Total marks.
Okay. If I will execute
Yes.
this, what will happen? I will get error message or not?
No.
I will get error message. Now tell
No,
me why.
no.
Yes, sir. I will show you.
Select
I will show you.
name.
Error message is coming, no? Tell me why it is coming error message. Who will catch it?
Keyword not found where some.
No.
No, that is reserved keyword, right?
Sum is a reserved keyword, yeah. So what's the problem?
Yeah. Some.
Who will tell me where is the mistake?
Do we need
Okay.
to use
Group by name, comma, total mark.
Group by name, comma? No.
No,
What I
that
have
not.
told you that apart from some, what all columns are there? Only name is there. So you have
Yes.
written name. That is correct. What's the mistake here?
Yeah, total marks. Alias
is-
name. Is
Okay,
there any?
total mark, a total underscore mark, I think.
Very good.
Yeah,
Total
we cannot, yeah, right.
underscore
Yeah.
marks. So what has happened is you have given a space here. So SQL got
Yes.
confused that what is this marks? He was
Yes,
searching
yes.
that it is a column or table. What it is? It got confused.
Yeah.
So you
Yes,
always
yes.
write this underscore, something like that. Don't keep a space. Okay. Or
Yes,
else
yes.
if you want, write it like this. This is also correct. Okay. See, is it fine? No error
Yeah.
message? Or if you
Yeah.
if you think that no, this is very long word, so keep it like this, total underscore mark. But don't keep a space. That is what I want to highlight here. Okay, don't keep a
Yes.
space. Total underscore marks. Is it fine? Understood?
Yeah.
No, not clear to everyone. Tell me frankly.
Yeah. Understand, clear.
Okay, everyone.
In alias, we cannot write. We cannot give spaces in alias.
Sorry, where?
In alias, we cannot give spaces. Without spaces,
No.
we have to.
Yeah. You should not use the spaces. Not
Yeah.
even in alias. Even if you are creating a table, okay, and if you are writing column names, okay. Suppose here the column name is there. If I will write like this, the student space ID. This will throw an error message. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you should
okay.
not keep a spaces.
Okay.
Where I was, yeah, I was teaching here. So hope this is clear to you guys. Now
Yes.
coming back to the question. Select I'm doing something. Okay, don't think what I'm doing. But I forgot what was the question. Oh, we were
maximum in each subject.
no, maximum is like we were asking about the topper, no? You were asking about the topper,
Yeah,
right?
topper.
Topper. So so far we have got here. We are here, right? So after this,
Yeah.
we have to find that 185, 165, 90, and 165. Which one is the maximum, right? That is the next target.
180.
We have to find which is
Yes,
the
yes.
maximum out of this. So I'm calculating maximum of this total marks. I want maximum of this total marks. Correct?
Yes.
I want maximum of this total marks. But from where? From where?
In
From
this result.
this query, from this result. I'm telling from this result, you have got this total marks. Then from this total marks, tell me the maximum. So you have to write from, give a open bracket, and remove this code from here and close bracket, then execute this query. So what this query will do, this is known as subquery. Okay, because you see I am not used any table name here. So what I'm telling to SQL, that SQL first of all execute this. So it has executed this, right? I'll show you. It has executed this and you got this as an output. Okay, after this I'm telling to SQL that okay, this output is correct, but in this output tell me in total marks which one is maximum. That's why I've used maximum of total marks from this result set. Is it clear? This is known as subquery. You're using a query inside another query.
So inner query will run first and then the upper one.
Yeah.
Inner query, this will run first, and based on this output, your outer query will work. Okay, so the total marks is 185.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Maximum is 185.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Total marks is 185, but name is not coming. I want the name of that student. Name is not coming. What I have to do?
So select name comma max total marks.
Name comma
maximum of total marks.
Maximum total marks. Okay. Then shall I run this?
No. Group by name.
Because you have used maximum here. So I have told you that whenever you're using maximum, you should write group by name, right? Now tell me, if I will execute this, what should be the output?
A 185.
A
185.
185, right?
So we have to write group by.
Group name A 185.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I missed group by. I missed here. Group by. Okay, so 185 should be the output, right? If I will execute this.
No,
correct?
it will come another also. Maximum. Yeah.
Correct. There should be the output A 185.
So table name also we have to include.
Yeah, I think other records also come B, C, D because you're grouping by name.
Okay, someone told me that table name should also be there. Imran has told.
Sir, me Akshay.
Akshay,
Sir, I am
yeah,
thinking. I have one doubt. Like when we are running the subquery, after completing that second line, that order by name.
Inner query.
Inner
query.
Then also we have to use the table name before group by.
Yeah, I have used here table name. No? Table name is here from a student.
Okay.
But for the outer query, for this query, the output of this inner query will act as a table. Okay, the output of this will act as a table, and from this it will take the data. Okay, understood, Akshay?
Yes. Okay.
So if I will execute this, what will happen? You will not get only 185. It will show you the same output what you have got here. I will show you this. This output that you got now will get the same output. Just a minute, let me show this. This will come again.
Yes.
See, same thing is coming again, no?
Yes.
Correct. And if I will remove this name, I'll remove this group by name also, because this is not required, because we have not used anything after select. Now let me execute this. Maximum total marks is saying 185, but I want to know the name of that person who has scored 185. How should I get that?
Joins concept.
Joins concept. Yeah. Joins concept will again come into picture. Okay.
Picture. Yeah.
So Anyway, yeah, if you are thinking that Tanvir, no, I don't want to use join, is there any other way? Yeah, we have another way as well, but that will make this very, very complicated. Okay, you can use what I can say, that CT expression, common table expression as well. Okay, so but time is 10:41 now. If you guys, everyone, if you are if you will allow me for the next 10 minutes, I can cover that CT and I can tell you how you can solve this.
Please
But
go
if you want that,
Yeah,
no,
please
Tanvir,
go.
exhaustive, I can stop.
Yeah,
Tell me.
please. Yeah,
ahead.
please
Continue,
go
sir.
on.
Continue.
Please go ahead.
Continue. Okay.
We-
Imran, Vedanathan, is it fine for you?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Everyone is fine. Perfect. So guys, do one thing. Then this session will automatically, this will stop at 10:45 because I have scheduled for 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, so what we can do is join again in 2 to 3 minutes. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I will stop
Actually,
sharing and I will disconnect this. You're telling something?
Yeah, okay.
I have
Or
question.
let's connect at 10:50. 10:50. Okay.
Okay,
Take
Yeah.
a break
Okay.
and let's connect at
Yeah.
10:50. We'll
Okay.
connect at that time. Okay.
Done, sir.
Fine. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.